something.
I'm attempting to do a kiss
pour feather. Okay, where do I start again?
I do the background.
I did background. So I just pour it on the canvas?
Yeah. So just do it nice and gentle, and then you can spread it out. Yeah.
I don't know how much I need.
That's good for now.
Oh, there's a lot.
You need more.
That's good.
For now, do the corners and then see how much you have for the middle.
I like this one. Now I wonder how I'm supposed to do this.
Put your jiggle out.
Mine jiggles out.
Do you want to tell them what colors you used?
I used orange, warm red, bright red, magenta. Okay, magenta, and bright yellow, and yellow. And white. Like this.
And I'm going to start here and let it touch and let it pour just nice and gently together.
Don't know how to do this.
Okay, you're just trying. This is brand new.
Touch it.
We have to let the drip touch paint. What? Yeah. Oh, not too fast. A little slower. No, you're fine. Just do it slower. You're doing just fine. Let it pour. Yep, there. Nope, a little slower. Slower. You're doing great. Nice and steady. A little slower. Slower, like ridiculously
I don't know how to do this.
It's okay. It looks pretty cool over here when you went slower. Okay? Yep. Get it to start. You don't have to move when it's starting.
I don't know what I'm doing.
It's okay. I don't know how to do this either very well.
I don't know how.
It looks like you have like kind of two feathers going on. Do you want to do something beside it?
I kind of want to just do that all around it.
Okay, then do.
I don't know what.
Well, we go with it because it's flow art. It means it doesn't always work the way we want it to, and we're trying something new. So let it pour a lot before you kind of, see if you go slower. Yeah, it's hard to be steady. That was my trick too. See, that's looking good. Okay, ooh, just more muscle.
I'm just doing something now. I don't know what happened, but I like it.
Kind of funny.
Looks like it kind of bubbles.
Okay, you still have some paint, so if you want to do more in the empty spaces, you can. Or you can leave it. Okay. Or you can even go over top of what you have here.
Ew.
See?
Right.
Each time you do it a little better.
Ooh, I don't know what that is, but I like
Get
it.
all the way to the end. The yellow?
There's a little bit more. There's a little bit more.
Keep
don't know what it is, but I like it.
If you want to, I'll get you a thing. If you want to make some lines in there, like, or you can leave it.
Do I?
So this, because there is more paint on the end, that's why it's.
I like it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Nee.